What's up, peeps? What's up? Hopefully everybody's doing pretty good. Today I'm gonna be bringing to you guys another video of the new modification I just put in my Camaro. It's a dual dash cam. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just do a quick little review on it, and I'm gonna be showing you guys some footage of the rear camera and the front camera at the very end. Okay, let's get into it.
Guy in general on these tracks, I can get mean. Mr. Tony Tone, he be saying need a 16. I stay clean when I'm on the scene. Let me intervene. Fictitious name.
All right, let's get into it, man. So I'm gonna just run down the basics. I'm still have yet to learn it. As you can see, it's still a rearview mirror too when the screen is not on. Okay, and it's actually plugged up into the cigarette lighter, so as soon as I turn the car on, it powers up. See it here. See, tow guard monitor. Okay, it takes about approximately, I don't know, 30 seconds or so for the SD card to prepare itself before it actually starts recording. Kind of give it a little bit real quick. Okay, then I'm gonna get right into it once it loads up and everything. Okay, boom. So once it starts recording, now it's recording. You can just slide through here. You got a split screen. You got the front and the back. Slide it again. You got the front only. Slide it again. You got the rear. So when you go here, you can go to settings, and you have multiple modes here. You got loop recording, record audio, G sensor, speaker, everything on here. Okay, you can just basically dial in what you need to your own personal preference. You got time zone, all that stuff, GPS. This thing also has a GPS on it, and it reads the miles per hour up in the upper right hand corner.
Okay.
It has a voice command, I mean. So I haven't yet to figure it out. I don't know why it's still recording, but I noticed when it's in the yellow recording mode, you can't activate the screen. You can only activate it when it's in the red. There it goes. So now you have access to it. Okay, you can take pictures here. You can turn the auto on and off. Like I said, that's how you go into the settings. Okay, you can also tilt this camera up and down. You just hold it up on the right, and then you can tilt it up and down. Okay, I don't know if you guys seen that. Up, down. Okay, so it's okay. And then if you tap and hold on the right hand side, you can actually adjust the brightness of the screen. Okay, so if you go up, go down, you dimming it. Okay, want it bright right now. And if you want to just turn it off, there's a button underneath here. It's just one button. You just click it and boom, you got your rearview mirror. And that's pretty much it. So let's go and check out the back of the camera real quick, because we're looking in the back now. And also too, the wires, it's pretty easy to mount. I just mounted the wires, tucked them in here, ran them alongside here on both sides, all the way down here. Okay, all the way down there. And I did the wires that go to that side, which is the back camera. I just ran them all the way down through the side panel, through the back trunk area, and boom, I just mounted the rear camera right there on the louver, because I didn't really feel like mounting it anywhere on my car and drilling holes into it. So I was like, that's a perfect spot. I thought so, because I already have a reverse camera in my license plate anyway, so I couldn't mount it there. So I figured that was a great spot to mount it, where I didn't have to drill any holes in my bumper, because I really didn't want to do that. Okay, so that's basically it, man. I'm gonna drop and leave all the information, how much it cost and everything. I got it on Amazon. I believe it was, I don't know, like $100 or so. I'll leave that link in the description bar. But all in all, for the money, I like it. It mounts right over your existing rearview mirror. This is a 12-inch right here. I think the model is CE70. That's the model of it. And yeah, this is one of the wider screens too. I've seen all the way from 8 inches, 10 inches, and this one is the wide 12-inch screen. Okay, and again, you can just flip through. You can do it on the rear and the front. Okay. Flip it through. Oh, it won't do it. See, it won't do it because it's in that yellow mode. Okay, and as you can see, I got all the stuff on the side. Got the time, the date, all that stuff. I need to adjust the time. That's a little off. It's about 6:44 right now, so it's about 2 hours ahead. I just gotta adjust that. No biggie. But yeah, it was pretty. All in all, it probably took about maybe an hour to install and everything, and set it up, and it's working. You put the SD chip on the top here. It's right there where you can mount it. I currently have a 256 micro SD chip. It recommends anywhere from 16 to 64. However, you can go all the way up to 128 and 256. You just have to format them. Okay, it's recommending that you format it in FAT32 mode. Okay, and that's what I did. So, and also too, if you go this way, oh wait a minute, I'm gonna show you guys something else real quick once I get out of this mode here. There we go. And if you go here, you can actually play back any clips that you have in the card. Okay, so this is all the clips that I currently have in here right now. And you can just go back and play back anything, and yeah, just play. Hit play and it plays it back for you. Okay, so you can back up to get out of that, and it takes you back to the screen. Me personally, I like mounting it on the rear, because I just like seeing what's in back of me. Obviously, I have access to the front, but I just like having it on rear because I like to always see what's going on back there. Okay, but anyway, that's it, guys. So leave me some feedback on the bottom, or leave me some comments in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. Another mod for the V6, man. All right, later.
Okay, so the footage you're about to view right now is me actually scaring somebody with my exhaust, and at that moment I didn't even realize I scared them. So the guy in the yellow Sentra pulls up. I'm sitting there with my door open, and we get to talking about my Lambo doors briefly. So as he pulls off, he hits his exhaust. So in return, I hit mine, didn't realize that there was a car behind me the whole time until I actually reviewed the footage. And it scared him. So that's the footage you're about to see right now.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate it, man. What, the Lambo doors? Bro, the kit's actually on. All right, you too, man. Be cool.
Nice guy in general on these tracks, I can get lean.